Your life could depend on the firearm you carry, with 2025 bringing revolutionary advancements in concealed carry technology. From integrated compensators to modular chassis systems, choosing the right everyday carry pistol has never been more critical or more exciting. Today we're counting down the 10 best new defense pistols that are redefining personal protection in 2026. Let's dive in. 10. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. Starting off our list at number 10 is a pistol that's completely revolutionized the micro-compact category. The Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 is a total redesign of the original Bodyguard. What makes this pocket rocket special? First, it's incredibly compact at just 0.88 inches wide and weighing only 9.8 ounces. Lighter than most J-frame revolvers. But here's the game changer. Despite its tiny size, it packs a 10-round flush magazine and comes with a 12-round extended option. That's double the capacity of the original Bodyguard. Smith & Wesson ditched the hammer-fired system for a smooth striker-fired design with a flat-face trigger pulling between 4.5 to 5.5 pounds. The aggressive slide serrations, improved ergonomics with a deep beaver tail, and U-notch rear sight paired with an orange tritium front sight make this one of the most shootable micro pistols on the market. For 2025, Smith & Wesson also introduced the Performance Center Bodyguard 2.0 Carry Comp, featuring their PowerPort compensator to further reduce muzzle rise. At an MSRP of around $450, this is exceptional value for deep concealment carry. 9. Taurus G3C. The Taurus G3C continues to dominate the budget-friendly carry market, and for good reason. This compact 9mm delivers incredible value, offering features typically reserved for pistols costing twice as much. With a 12-round capacity and a compact frame measuring just 6.3 inches in overall length, the G3C strikes an excellent balance between concealability and shootability. The 3.2-inch barrel provides enough velocity for defensive ammunition while remaining easy to carry all day. What sets the G3C apart is its reliable striker-fired operation, adjustable sights, improved trigger system, and functional accessory rail, all at a price point that typically falls around $300. The ergonomic polymer frame features excellent texturing, and the gun ships with 2 magazines. Multiple reviews praise its dependability and accuracy, making it a top choice for first-time buyers or anyone wanting a solid defensive pistol without breaking the bank. It's proof that you don't need to spend a fortune for a quality everyday carry gun. 8. Ruger LCP Max. When ultimate concealability is your priority, the Ruger LCP Max delivers in a big way. At just 0.8 inches wide and 10.6 ounces, this pocket pistol virtually disappears when carried. The LCP Max addresses the primary complaint about pocket pistols: limited capacity. Chambered in 380 ACP, it packs an impressive 10+1 rounds. Exceptional for a gun this size. That's more ammunition than many compact 9mm pistols from just a few years ago, all in a package that fits comfortably in a front pants pocket. Ruger equipped the LCP Max with improved sights that are actually usable, a significant upgrade over earlier pocket pistols. The trigger is reasonable for a pistol in this category, and accuracy is surprisingly good for such a small gun. The extensive holster options available thanks to Ruger's popularity make it easy to find the perfect carry solution. While some users report the slide can be stiff initially, it loosens up with use. For those times when maximum discretion is essential, the LCP Max delivers firepower in the smallest possible package. 7. Springfield Armory Echelon 4.0 C. Springfield Armory made waves when they introduced the Echelon line in 2023, and the 2024-2025 editions of the compact 4.0 C variants have perfected the platform for everyday carry. The Echelon represents Springfield's most advanced striker-fired pistol to date. At the heart of the Echelon lies the Central Operating Group, COG, a serialized stainless steel chassis that's completely self-contained. This modular design allows the grip frame to be easily changed between small, medium, and large sizes with 3 interchangeable backstraps, ensuring a perfect fit for any hand size. The revolutionary Variable Interface System, VIS, is game-changing. Using patent-pending self-locking pins, it allows direct mounting of over 30 different red dot optics without adapter plates. This creates a lower, more robust mounting solution that maintains backup iron sights in most configurations. The 4.0 C compact variant features a 4-inch barrel with a reduced frame height of 5.125 inches, making it significantly more concealable than the full-size model while maintaining a a 15-round flush magazine capacity, 18 rounds with the extended magazine. The hammer-forged barrel and billet machine slide feature. Springfield's melanite nitriding process for exceptional durability. For 2025, Springfield introduced the Echelon 4.0 C Comp, adding their single-port integral compensator to reduce muzzle rise for faster follow-up shots. The gun also comes in Desert FDE and OD green color options, with ambidextrous controls, a crisp trigger, and a Picatinny rail. Despite the compact size, the Echelon 4.0 C offers duty-grade reliability in an everyday carry package. 6. Kimber CDS9. Kimber's entry into the micro-compact 9mm market brings their legendary craftsmanship to the concealed carry world. The CDS9 features a slimline design specifically engineered for discreet everyday carry. The standout feature is the optics-ready slide accepting all MRDS with an RMSC footprint, making it one of the most versatile micro-compacts for red dot mounting. Custom serrations front and rear provide ample purchase for manipulation, while the flat-face trigger delivers a crisp break that Kimber is famous for. With a 3-inch barrel and 6.2-inch overall length, the CDS9 packs 15 rounds in a package weighing just 21 ounces. The ambidextrous controls and reversible magazine release accommodate both right and left-handed shooters. VZ grips provide excellent traction without being overly aggressive. At an MSRP of $1,075, it's positioned in the premium category, but the quality and features justify the investment for those seeking a high-end carry option. Number 5. Sig Sauer P365-XMacro. The Sig P365 changed the concealed carry landscape when it launched, and the XMacro variant takes everything great about the platform and supercharges it. This is what happens when you combine the shootability of a full-size pistol with genuine concealability. The XMacro features enhanced ergonomics with a longer grip that accommodates most shooters' full hand, improving control without sacrificing concealability. The integrated compensator on select models reduces muzzle rise significantly, allowing faster follow-up shots. Interchangeable back straps ensure a custom fit. Capacity is where the XMacro really shines. 17+1 rounds of 9mm in a package you can actually carry all day. The optics-ready slide accepts the most popular micro red dots, and the improved trigger system delivers a clean break. Multiple reviewers praise it as one of the most capable and versatile pistols on the market, equally at home as a daily carry piece or a home defense firearm. The P365-XMacro represents the pinnacle of micro-compact evolution. Number 4. Glock 43X. The Glock 43X continues to be a top seller for good reason. It hits the sweet spot between concealability and shootability. Glock's reputation for reliability is well earned, and the 43X delivers that legendary dependability in a package designed specifically for concealed carry. The stack and a half magazine design is brilliant, giving you a 10-round capacity while maintaining a slim 1.1-inch width that makes the gun genuinely easy to conceal. The longer grip compared to the Glock 43 provides better control and shootability without significantly impacting concealability, since grip length typically matters less than width for concealment. The Glock 43X MOS version features an optics-ready slide, embracing the red dot trend while maintaining backup iron sights. The consistent Glock trigger pull, simple controls, and ease of maintenance make it an excellent choice for both new and experienced carriers. Aftermarket support is virtually unlimited. If you want to customize your 43X, the options are endless. What really sets the 43X apart is its track record. This isn't an unproven design. It's been carried daily by thousands of people with consistent reliability reports. When you combine that proven performance with Shield Arms magazines that increase capacity to 15 rounds without adding width, you have one of the most practical everyday carry options available. The 43X represents Glock doing what they do best, building a simple, reliable, and effective fighting pistol. 3. Staccato C. If you're looking for the ultimate in performance without compromise, the Staccato C is in a league of its own. This isn't just a carry gun, it's a precision instrument that happens to be concealable. Staccato built their reputation on creating 2011 style pistols that run like sewing machines, and the C model brings that performance to a carry-sized package. The fit and finish are exceptional, with tight tolerances that don't compromise reliability. The trigger is extraordinary, crisp, light, and consistent, making accurate shot placement almost effortless. The double stack 2011 design provides a 16-round capacity in 9mm while maintaining a relatively slim profile thanks to the metal frame. The grip texture and ergonomics are refined through years of competition use, and the gun points naturally for most shooters. The optics ready slide accepts popular red dots, and backup iron sights are included. Testing consistently shows the Staccato C delivering exceptional accuracy even in rapid fire. Follow-up shots are incredibly fast thanks to the minimal recoil impulse, excellent trigger, and well-balanced design. Several law enforcement and military units have adopted Staccato pistols, speaking to their reliability and performance under pressure. The price point is significant. Expect to pay well over $2,000, but for serious defensive use, many consider it worth every penny. If you want the best possible tool for protecting your life and can afford it, the Staccato C represents the pinnacle of carry pistol design. 2. Springfield Armory 1911 DS Prodigy Compact. Springfield's Prodigy line successfully bridges the gap between classic 1911 design and modern capacity requirements, and the compact version is optimized for everyday carry. This is what happens when you take everything great about the 1911 platform and enhance it with 21st century innovations. The double stack magazine gives you 15-round capacity, 20 with the extended magazine, while maintaining manageable grip dimensions thanks to the polymer grip module mounted to a forged steel frame. This hybrid construction reduces weight without sacrificing strength or durability. The magazines are even cross-compatible with Staccato 2011 platforms, providing flexibility for users. The Prodigy Compact features an optics-ready slide with Springfield's AOS agency optics system that accepts multiple red dot patterns. An ambidextrous safety and Picatinny rail for weapon lights make this a thoroughly modern defensive pistol. The 3.5-inch barrel provides enough velocity for defensive ammunition while keeping the overall package compact. What really sets the Prodigy apart is that exceptional 1911 trigger, light, crisp, and consistent. Combined with the inherent pointability of the 1911 platform, it makes accurate shooting almost automatic. The enhanced reliability system ensures the gun functions flawlessly with a wide range of 9mm ammunition, from 115 grain ball to 147 grain hollow points. For 2025, Springfield introduced the Prodigy Comp with an integral compensator that reduces muzzle rise even further. Multiple reviewers have conducted head-to-head comparisons with more expensive 2011 pistols and consistently give the Prodigy high marks for its price-to-performance ratio. If you love the 1911 platform but need modern capacity, the Prodigy Compact is the answer. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 5. Taking the top spot is the pistol that many consider the standard by which all others are measured, the Glock 19 Generation 5. Some might say it's not new for 2026, but this Austrian workhorse continues to dominate the market for good reason, and recent updates keep it at the forefront. The Glock 19 is simply legendary. Its size sits in the perfect middle ground, compact enough to carry concealed effectively, yet large enough to provide a full firing grip and enough barrel length for optimal ballistics. The 15-round capacity in 9mm gives you plenty of ammunition for any defensive encounter. Reliability is where the Glock 19 has built its reputation over decades. The painfully simple design offers few opportunities for malfunctions. Military, law enforcement, and civilian users worldwide have subjected the Glock 19 to every possible condition and abuse, and it continues to run. That track record is invaluable when your life is on the line. The Gen 5 improvements refined an already excellent platform. The removal of finger grooves fits more hand sizes better, the ambidextrous slide stop accommodates left-handed shooters, and the improved trigger and barrel are welcome upgrades. The marksman barrel enhances accuracy, and the smoother trigger provides a better shooting experience. The Glock 19 in Moss version offers an optics-ready slide, joining the red dot revolution while maintaining the reliability Glock is known for. Aftermarket support is unmatched. Anything you could possibly want to customize is available. Holsters are available in every style imaginable. Training resources specifically for the Glock 19 are abundant. Perhaps most importantly, the Glock 19 is proven. It's been protecting lives for over 3 decades. New shooters can learn on it with confidence, and experienced shooters trust it completely. While newer pistols may offer specific advantages in certain areas, the Glock 19's combination of reliability, capacity, shootability, and proven performance keeps it at the top of everyday carry recommendations heading into 2026. There you you have it, the 10 best new defense pistols for everyday carry in 2026. From ultra-compact pocket pistols to full capability duty guns, today's market offers incredible options for personal protection. Remember, the best carry gun is the one you'll actually carry every day, so consider your lifestyle, clothing, and comfort level. Get proper training, practice regularly, and understand your local laws. Stay safe out there, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow responsible gun owners. Stay protected.